Interactive Business Training offers wonderful workshops in Microsoft Excel. Let's discover what our Microsoft Excel Part 1 workshop can offer you. Part 1 of our Excel workshop covers the Excel interface, worksheets, spreadsheets, and elements of Excel formulas. We will cover the properties of the Excel interface. You will learn how to use cells, the formula bar, and where to find every tool you will need to complete your worksheet or spreadsheet. You will learn how to create Excel spreadsheets. Understanding the elements of an Excel formula. Learn how and when you need to use relative or absolute references. Many businesses use Excel every day, and this workshop can get you started on learning this valuable tool.